How to watch Instagram live. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch an Instagram live. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before we begin, you'll first need to update your Instagram to its latest version. So open up your app store and search for Instagram. After you do that, if you see an update button like this, tap on update and update it. Now you can head over to your Instagram, and after you're on your Instagram, if someone that you follow is going on live, you will see something like this. So all you have to do is tap on this button to view their live. And this is basically how you view a live in your Instagram. So now you can just wait. So here you can see this button that shows you how many people are on live. You can tap on it to check out who are watching this live as well. So after you've done watching the live, you can tap on this cross button that is on the top right, tap on the X, and now you're out of the live. And that's basically how you watch live in Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.